Hey guys, welcome to another video by Touch the Clutch. It's me, Igor, and
Terry.
you don't know us yet, but it's okay.
Yeah, so we have a new mod for the A5 and it's actually in this little wrap.
It's the new RS5 style grill. It's full honeycomb on the back, so we're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this part, remove the RS5, and install the new badge. I'm thinking of keeping the chrome from the original car. We'll see if they come out or not, because I feel like that quality is better than this grill. I got it for $250 on Kijiji. It was an actual shop, so I couldn't
Is this
bargain much.
is this like a real
No,
Audi? Oh,
replica.
so it's a replica. Okay,
It's a replica, yeah.
that's fine.
Okay, let's get started.
We like replica and cheap shit.
So this is how my grill looks like right now. It has a lot of rock chips here. Not even like, first of all, it restricts airflow to the engine. My engine likes to overheat, so it's gonna open up like this area, this, and remove basically all the rock chips. That's my main goal, because I don't run a flat front plate and they're getting to me, these rock chips. Okay, so just a heads up, we've never removed the bumper before, so this might be very
And we have not watched any tutorial. So
I guess okay, that was actually easier than I thought. Bang!
check my shirt.
Huh?
Check my shirt.
Like
I
mine?
represent. Yeah.
Whoa! Look what I found. Holy fuck! Importance.
Bastards.
That sounds good. So Terry,
So we couldn't figure out how to like take it off because we're kind of stupid. So we cheated and we watched some Polish dude take it off.
so now we're gonna
So,
continue.
Yeah. So we did everything that he said.
Except we missed two
Except,
screws.
yeah, we missed two 10 mils.
So it's okay, we're gonna do it now. Okay, so we will need these bad boys. We've never used them, neither me or Terry, but I think it shouldn't be like rocket science, I guess. You have to. No, too small, I think. Or this is like. This is just looks.
Just keep going.
Hey, we fucked it. No, but it's good. The hat is off. So it goes.
I know, but how is your... Well, I guess it doesn't matter. You're just gonna leave the screw like out?
I think so.
I mean, there's like... Oh, more. The bumpers. Oh, well, okay. I just took it off.
How do I take it off?
Just pull it. Yeah. Just get that first. Get that off first. See, this shit's still holding it kind of, like a little bit.
Yeah, let me
Just pry it up.
Oh, we got it. Something broke.
Oh, bro.
I don't know.
Fuck off. Bro.
No, this was broken, I think. Remember like the rattling noise?
I know. He keeps scaring me because I break his car all the time. I broke in a clip on the BMW and a clip on this.
Nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Feels like a burn. You take feel it. It's wet.
I don't want to. I believe you.
So only 2 hours passed and we got it off. We'll see it maybe. Do you wanna?
Look, okay, so this is so,
It looks nice.
pardon my French, retarded. There's like, what did we count? 18 clips that we put a sheet metal in between the clip.
So we put it like this.
In between the clip and the bumper so it would slide off.
And it worked, but we forgot these two
And
screws
there's
inside.
also 2 screws here.
But like you can't really see them from the
Yeah.
bumper.
But it came off. So
Not a single clip broken. I think it's a win.
yeah,
Well, we scratched my bumper, but it's okay.
a little bit, yeah. Anyway. So we're painting the push bar black, just so it doesn't stand out so much. What about there?
Where? No, it's not gonna go there.
Using some brake cleaner to clean it a little bit, just so it doesn't.
I can't see that far. I don't know how far you can see, but
Take in how many leaves there are, just everywhere, and not a single freaking tree around. The car looks good though. Do it.
I'm gonna do a light coat first.
Probably wait like 10 minutes between coats and then you're fine. I don't know about you, but I love the smell of paint.
Nice. Honestly, it really looks better.
Yeah.
So we're doing a facial reconstruction for this Audi. We're just gonna do some touch-ups here. Kind of scared, to be honest, but.
So that's what the grill looks like now.
Looks pretty good. I think thumbs up for $250.
So it's done. We finally installed it after like 3 hours.
So basically, I thought it was gonna take 1 hour. It took us 3 hours. It's getting already dark outside, and I think we came to a conclusion that we're actually smarter than the German engineers.
Yeah, I mean we don't want to brag, but like
This is how many screws are left behind, but we assembled everything back, and it holds on. So I think we've saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 screws, right?
yeah.
And also the piece on the back that we cut out, that's weight reduction.
Yeah, so we obviously you saw in the video that we cut out like a part of where the grill sat, so now there's more airflow.
So higher airflow, less screws, less weight. I think it's a win-win. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
This is how it looks like. Painted, what is it called? Push bar. I think it looks really good. Car should have hopefully came from factory like this, but I guess they didn't want to compete with the RS5. Yes?
Yes. When you thought it was done.
This is the...
Are you ready for this?
Look. There's light coming from the bumper.